Hey guys, I am back, but today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to talk to you about something travel related. I just recently bought some packing cubes. You guys, I'm a very organized planner type of person. But when it comes to packing, I'm not very great. I tend to overpack. Usually things just get kind of thrown in my suitcase. They move all over the place. Nothing really ever stays put. And I know I've seen a lot of people talk about these guys. And I thought, you know what? I am leaving for Israel. And I thought this would be the perfect time to try out packing cubes. I'm gonna be gone for about 12 days. And I thought, if I don't figure out a way to organize and get everything just set, then I am gonna be packing for like a month's worth of stuff. And I just don't need to do that. There are gonna be ways for me to wash some clothes. That's one thing that's helping me to not take as much. Now, this particular set that I bought, I found on Amazon. I was just trying to narrow it down as to the ones that I thought would work for me best. It's a set of 8. I believe I paid $25 for these. And it has 3, whoops. We have 3 mesh ones. We have a small, a medium, and a large. And then it also comes with a small one that you cannot see in. We have just this little zipper pouch, which I'm not sure what I will use yet. This little drawstring type bag, which I also am not sure what I will use it with. A shoe bag and a laundry bag. First impression, I like how there were a few different color options. Now, there wasn't a million different choices, but there were enough, and I decided to grab the kind of blue tealish color. You guys, I am so excited to use these. I will insert some clips of me filling them up and using them in my suitcase. For the price and for what I am going to be using them for, and I think it will work out really well for me. I'm very pleased. I'm really excited. The one without the mesh part, I think, is where I'll be storing like my intimates, if you will, you know, my bras and things like that. And of course I will take the laundry bag because we are going to have a chance to wash some things while we're over there. So having a little bag to store some of my dirty clothes in will be very handy. Now, these also, which I think is a great idea, have little clips that you can clip your stuff in. You've got the things inside the cube that will stay put, and then the cube might move around, but that's okay. And I love how it has the mesh so you can see what's inside. I don't know if these are gonna work for me. I know there are a million different types of packing cubes and different packing cube sets. This large is pretty big. I actually don't know the dimensions of it exactly, but I'll be sure to link all the information in the description box. And I'm pretty sure they even have ones that are larger than this. If you just need a specific size, you can buy those. There's all sorts of different ones, and I love how it gives you that variety so you don't have to worry about everything and becoming so overwhelmed, because I feel like when you're packing for a trip, the last thing you want to deal with is becoming overwhelmed and just stressing out. And I am just beyond excited to try these. I hope these work for me. If they don't, you know, then I'll know. I definitely think some of these I will end up using because you can't go wrong with it. For example, the shoe bag. I have been kind of messing around, and it can hold a lot. Guys, it's pretty big. You know, so at the very least, I know I'll be able to use that. I don't see why I could not use the laundry bag. And it even has like a cute little saying on it. It says, "Wish you have a colorful life." How cute. I haven't had a trip planned in a really long time. And then this Israel trip popped up and I was like, perfect! I need some packing cubes. I have to try this. I said, this is the perfect chance for me to try packing cubes. And I cannot tell you, I am stoked. Now, I never could just throw things into my suitcase. That drove me nuts. I had to like lay things and organize it, but it still kind of looked like a mess. And when I got to the destination, I still felt very hectic because I was always like throwing things everywhere and I never could find anything and it was just not enough. So with that being said, I will throw some clips in of me using it. First impression, you guys, I love them. I'm stoked. Let's go. Like I want to leave for my trip like tomorrow so I can use these. I want to use them. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, say hi, leave a comment, say whatever you want. I don't care. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys next week. Bye!